9. Back when I did tech support, I received a call from a customer with a peculiar keyboard problem. It seems that he was having trouble with the shift key. When he typed a letter with the shift key pressed, it gave him the uppercase letter, but when he typed a number, it didn't do that. Didn't do what? Type the uppercase number. I had to break it to him gently. 10. Working a call center asking people to pay their old bills. Naturally some responded angrily. So this is what you do all day? You just call people who haven't paid their bills? I reply, yes, so if I paid my bills you'd be out of the job? Then I say, if everybody paid their bills, then yes. They respond, haha, good. You just messed up by telling me this. I'm going to pay my bills right away. When you're unemployed then see how you like getting calls about your bills.